Hi everyone, this is Sheva from Berry Mix Bujo over at Instagram. Thank you for joining me in this video as I put together my cover page in my altered book bullet journal. So here I'm just showing you some of the papers that I'll be using for this month. I chose mostly pinks and neutrals for this month because it's my birthday month, and pink, as you know, is my favorite color. So this digital kit is from Shabby Dabby Duda. It's the Hampton Heath collection. I really like the papers there. And then this one that I'm showing you is from Graphics 45. They have this kit where there's different months, and I will just take the calendar for this one and use that in my cover. And then I also showed you a ledger for the month of February. I'll be using that in my pages as well, and spreads for the month of Feb. And that one is a digital printable from Ruby and Pearl XO. So those kits are available via Etsy. Okay, so now I have that calendar. It will go to the right side of the paper of the DigiKit. But before I do that, I will also prep the pages that I have. So this is an altered book bullet journal. I saw a tutorial from Barbara of 49 Dragonflies on how she did it. So what you do is you take some pages off. She does 7, but I don't have a lot of pages in this book, so I just take out 5 at a time. And then what you need to do is to glue the remaining pages, the two succeeding pages together. So I will be doing that for the next couple of pages because I need to set up some trackers for the month of February. I already have some pages glued together. I'm just doing the ones that I need more. I don't think I've shown this glue as well. So what I did for my glue is I transferred it to an icing tube because the original packaging is getting really hard to squeeze to get the glue out. So I transferred it in a squeezy tube that's easier to use. I just don't like the tip, the opening at the tip for this one because it's a little bit large. I think you can actually see it now. And it dispenses a lot of glue. And I will be going through the tubes of glue quite easily if I continue using this one. So I'll just be using it for this particular video, and then I already got a smaller metal tip for which you'll see in the next videos probably. So here I'm just taking off some more pages, 5 more pages. I take 3, and then the next one I tear off 2 pages at a time. And then what I'll do is I'll glue the next 2 pages together. But I think now that I'm reviewing this video, I'm actually doing it wrong. So what you need to do is to get one page and then tear the next 5 or 4 pages, and then the next page, the 5th page, you glue it with the first page so that you don't have the tear marks visible. So I'll do that for the next month probably, or the next weekly spreads that I'll do for February. So for this one, you just see it's just visible, the tear marks are just visible, but hopefully in the future you won't see that anymore. Anyway, it's my first altered book bullet journal, so it's still pretty much an experiment at this point, still finding out what works for me. I've been using it for a month now, and I definitely like the system. So I think I'll continue using this for the rest of the year. So I think I have enough pages now glued together to set up my trackers as well as my first weekly page. Oh no, I think I'm doing one more set of pages. So I'm just removing 5 pages and then gluing the remaining pages together so I have a thicker page. Alright, so taking that off and then gluing the 2 pages together. Okay, now I'm starting to put together the cover page. It's pretty simple. I just use the digitals that I chose, and I'm just gluing it to the page and then adding some bits and pieces, some embellishments to make it look nicer. So I'll put you on music now so that you can enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.
my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. How it's gonna stay in the